Welcome everybody. Hi, good morning. I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video today. It's a beautiful morning in Jamaica, and we are in the Drax area. So the Drax area is on the north coast. So it's in between Ocho Rios and the St. Anne's Bay. To my right is one of the newest additions to the Drax area, the Booth gas station. And I should tell you that the Booth gas station also have a electrical station that you can actually charge your car. So your electric car can be charged at the Booth gas station because they have a recharge station. All right, so to my left I have the Epping gas station. So we're heading to Drax Estate. Drax Estate is a housing development that they had subdivided into lots. And you buy the lot and you build your house. So we actually have a half-acre lot that's for sale. So don't go away. Stay tuned. So I just came through the stoplight where the Draxall Manor, Draxall Country Club and Vista Del Mar. And I'm approaching a new stoplight here now. Those of you familiar with the area, they have engaged the stoplight now. So to the left is the hills of Draxall. To the right will be the new housing development called Fairway Estates. And you also have the commercial on the right. So Nutside Express, they have already built. So if you're terminating on this side, you will terminate at that new station, bus station. You also have Elite Diagnostics on the right. I'm also approaching some new commercials that will be going up. So you have Total Tools on my left. Total Tools is where you can rent tools if you're doing construction. Slow. Coming up on my right, slow indicator. So we will be entering Draxall Estate through here. So this is a Draxall Estate. Everybody, so this is the Draxall Estate. So this particular property is actually close to the Marina Village. Marina Village is a new housing development that's right on the beach.